So buffer solution special case we are discussing special cases. Suppose this is the acidic buffer.
Yes, sir.
We said by adding strong acid, strong base, its pH is resistant. That won't be changed.
Yes.
That is a buffer solution. But still I am adding here something NaOH with C concentration.
Okay, sir.
I am taking for example here CH3COOH plus CH3COONA. I am adding NaOH. NaOH can react with acid only, no?
Yes, sir.
CH3COOH plus NaOH. When reacting, we will get here CH3COO minus or CH3CONA plus H2O. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So how much NaOH reacting, that much only salt will get.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Extra
Yes, sir.
salt we are getting or not. Now I can write pH equal to, but here decreasing concentration. Something X is their concentration. This is X minus C. Can I write here?
Yes, sir.
X amount of acid is there. From that C reacting. C amount of NaOH reacted with X amount of acid.
Yes, sir.
Then I can write pH equal to pKa plus log of salt concentration. Salt concentration increases or decreases? Increases.
Increases.
How much? C
Decreases.
amount? No, salt
Because
increases. No? C formed extra salt
okay, sir.
because base reacting with acid, then C amount of salt is formed.
Yes, sir.
Acid decreases now.
Yes, sir.
Acid minus C. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
This is a special case. Suppose we are adding base, which is reacting base. Sorry, I am adding acid, which can react the concentration of acid we are adding. Strong acid like HCl. Acid can react with whom? Salt or acid?
Salt, sir.
Salt. So salt is minus and acid should be plus, na?
Yes, sir.
For example, HCl I am adding Na. It can react with HCl. What will you get here? CH3COOH plus NaCl. So acid concentration increases.
Yes, sir.
Some X is there. This is C. Then X minus C. You'll get C amount here. So
Yes,
can you
sir.
write pH equal to here pKa plus log of salt minus C by acid plus C. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
So same thing can you apply for basic buffer also?
Yes, sir.
Can you give direct formula if you know that one?
Down base will be there, sir. POH is equal to PKB plus log salt minus E by base plus
Yes,
C.
basic buffer. You can give
And
direct
log.
formula. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see that is. Now NH4OH plus NH4Cl. You can try. This is
Yes. Yes, sir.
did wrote and paper.
Yes, sir. Sir, won't it just be NH4Cl plus NH4OH only?
Yes, in terms of that salt and acid only, no?
Yes, sir. Both will be same, like interchanges.
Yes,
Or
interchange.
it can.
Then
Oh,
pKb. Suppose you are adding C concentration of NaOH I am adding. NaOH can react with whom? NH4Cl or NH4OH?
NH4Cl.
Yes, base never react. This is acidic character only no? Because strong acid, weak base salt.
Yes, sir.
So POH equal to
Oh,
pKb
we are adding NaOH. Oh, okay, sir.
plus log of salt minus C by base plus C.
Yes, sir.
Same. Suppose we are adding C concentration of HCl. HCl can react with base. In this case, NH4OH is the base. Then POH
Yes,
equal
sir.
to pKb plus log of salt plus C by base minus C. So
Yes,
these
sir.
are
Okay, this depends on adding of basic substance or acidic substance.
yes
Salt.
correct.
Sorry.
Yes correct. That's you have to
Okay.
identify here.
But that's how the special cases. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. I think so. Now in examination they will provide C value.
Okay, sir.
Or otherwise they won't provide C. They will provide remaining all the things. Then they can ask how much amount of C added to get that particular
Okay.
POH. Okay. To
Okay,
get
sir.
particular POH or pH, how much salt base should be added, how much acid should be added, like that you will get cases.
Okay, sir.